Good morning again. We will go over number 3 of the Unit 7 review right now, okay? I'm going to read it to you. In the graph shown, which of the following values represents the x value? Look at that, the x value. Okay, where line M, and that's line M, it's already given to you on the graph, and line y equals to 3x minus 2, y equals to 3x minus 2 intersect, all right? So your strategy should be to identify the value of b, okay, as well as the value of m, okay, on the equation that's given to you and not yet graph, right? And that will be -2 and 3/1 is the slope, okay? So let's see where the two lines intersect. We know the first line, line M, is already drawn. Now let's draw the second line, y equals to 3x minus 2. So y-intercept is where I start, which is b, so -2, it's right here, right? -2 right there, all right? And the slope says 3/1. So if I go from there, from where I begin, I go 3 units up, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 to the right. Okay, there you go, right there. And that's where they intersect. Let's just keep on going. 1, 2, 3, that's another dot on the line. So if I can just connect that right now, there you go. My line is not perfect, but you get the point. This is where they intersect. And the coordinates for that is 1, 1. All right? So if you go back to the question, which of the following values represents the x value? So the x value is 1. It just so happened, okay, x and y is the same, but of course it's very important to know what it's asking you. So the answer should be A. All right? All right, thank you.